Hey guys, hope it's not too windy. I'm using the phone for this one. Purposely didn't bring the camera up because I want to get on and do some work, and I've done quite a lot today. We haven't had a plot tour for ages, so here we go. Well, can you spot the difference? The big long 2.4 metre beds are in, one there, one there. 4 straw bales on their own around that area, and I've got 2 left under the polythene. Not quite sure what to do with them yet. All the soft fruit seems to be budding up. Even that little twig on the end. Oh, I'll tell you what, I hate that black membrane. I hate this stuff. I'll show you in a minute. So what along here we got crikey, these 2 are mulberries, I think. And we got red currant, white currant. You know, I can't remember them all. I gotta have a look. Yeah, that's a white currant. I'll put the names of them all when I get home because I can't remember. I didn't bring my crib sheet with me. Fruit trees are doing all right. Yeah. Yeah, signs of buds on them. So. Turn round a bit. Even got a few buds coming on the apple, one of the apples. Another apple there, another apple there. Olive, fig, which somebody blooming walked on and snapped off 2 branches. And cherry. And a plum. Which way round they are? Let's have a look at the red raspberries. Let's have a look at the raspberries. Yeah, they're coming on now. Even the little tiny Thompson & Morgan one in the shade there. That's a yellow one, that's a red one, that's a yellow one which doesn't seem to be doing anything at all. That's a red one, that's a yellow one, and that's a red one. The roses are they're growing fast. One each end. All over the place this because I'm wandering around. Solitary bee hotel down there. No residents just yet. Here's a bit of the membrane I've just lifted. God, I'll tell you what, my back is killing me now. Yeah, and this is the state of the soil underneath. It's just this brown stuff. I mean, I can't describe it. Look at this, what's left behind, all these bits and threads. Never been worked, that soil. 5 previous tenants, and it's like, well, it's like what do you call it in America? Salt flats. The cracks in it. Yeah. Loads of bamboo ready to go in places. Here's the single bales. We've got 5 there. The big beds, the long ones I've just put in now, they've got some wood down the side, some soil, and just topped up with a bit of manure. And each, I'm going to top these sides up with some compost, probably Mother Earth actually, because clover is a little bit too fine for outdoor use. And this one has got no wood down the sides, a little bit of compost in the bottom, but I'll use that for carrots and parsnips. The middle section here, the reason that's bowed is because it needs a bit more weight in the middle. But here, it's not solid bale. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to top this bit off here purely with compost. I don't want to split a bale just to get another third to go in the end there, if you know what I mean. Those bits of wood everywhere. The logs, I'll be drilling those out when I got a bit of time, and to make another sort of bug hotel type thing. They were just lying in the compost heap at the far end. Blueberries, went to the blueberries, yeah. I'm going to leave the dandelions there for now, good excuse for the bees. they're all leafing up quite well. Too bad. Strawberries are doing well. A lot of people say, don't put the strawberries out yet, it's too cold. Oh, okay. And even the blueberries I neglected. Yeah, I don't know what to do with them. Yeah, we'll see. Rhubarb Victoria, This bed's going to have a bit of asparagus in it as well once I've moved those pots. Bean gallows. Not going to start that yet. There's no big rush. I don't need that till May, do I? So that's it, guys. You know, oh, the onions at the end. I put another load of onions in that hexagonal bed, and that'll be interplanted with things like carrots and stuff like that. Onions shallow rooted, so some deep rooted stuff around them. I'll do plot 26 tomorrow, I reckon. So the wood chip's gradually getting used, and so's the manure. I'm leaving that to dry out a little bit because it's heavy as hell, that is. Too dry though, and I can't squeeze it down the gaps. Mind you, don't need much more, so I might have to give that away. Well, that's me, guys. I have to shoot against the sun at the moment, but here we are. Not bad at all. Enjoying it at the moment. I'm really enjoying it. So I'm glad I didn't do too much over winter, if you know what I mean, because this ground, where you've seen the mud, it would have been so impossible to walk on. I just don't get this. I said it before. You know, big hollow here and a big raised up bit there. So someone's dug this out here. So I'm confident that we would chip and that. And I've got to say, if anyone's doesn't like using weed killer, try vinegar. Look at that. Yeah, not much risk of overspray either, because you need quite a lot of it. What I did, I had a load of old cooking vinegar that I didn't use for pickling from 2022, I think it was. Well, there we are, guys. Get that membrane in the bin at home. Back tomorrow. Okay, guys, no real footage today, I'm afraid. But what I have done is put the rest of the single bales in place. Cleared a bit more weed membrane, and well, here we are. I'm up to day 4 on those big beds, and I just started day 1 on the little single bales. And here we are then. This is what the plot looked like in August last year, I think it was. I spent most of the autumn and winter getting rid of the perennial weeds, and there were quite a few of those. A couple of wayward volunteer shrubs, no idea what they were. And just prepping the place. Getting rid of the excess pallet collars and stuff like that. And here's what it's like today. The last of that rubbish pile, sort of midway up the screen, left-hand side, that's been got rid of today. And, well, there's a few more things to do, but I am happy. I really am happy with how far I've got. I put a picture of this up on Facebook and Instagram, and the first thing Danny said was, "Are you having a barn dance?" Well, why do I bother? I don't know. And as usual, to wrap it up for today, here is Lindsay's entry for the hashtag SSPC 2025. 1, 2, 3, 6 bits there. I'll tell you what, I don't know what you've done, but those chits are like 10 times the size of mine. And they've gone into pots for developing. Fantastic. I reckon we're going to have some cracking yields this year. Well, that's it for today, guys. Look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.